So if you'll close your eyes and breathe deeply, centering in your heart, the heart space. Breathing in peace, breathing out peace. Breathing in love, breathing out love. Breathing in joy of being alive, and breathing out gratitude. In this way, we connect our minds and our hearts with the power of God. Jesus said, go into your private room and lock the door. Go into your heart and let the world outside. Let the world outside as we commune with God. Feel it. Know it. We are one with each other, one with the divine, one with ourself. And for this understanding, we do give thanks. Father, Mother, loving God,